Okay, it's Jackson RC Aviation. We're with Mason here, and today we have what is a soldering iron by Sequre. And what's in the box? What do we have?
The SQ001.
Let's begin.
The SQ001.
And portable?
Yep, horrible.
Okay. Show that close up.
Here's your tip.
Got your tip there.
TS100 tip.
TS100. Okay.
Say they use the same tip as that.
Okay. All right.
An OLED screen.
OLED screen. All right.
Lock it in.
Right.
Lock it in. Lock it in.
All right. Now how are we gonna
Got your AC/DC to your DC to XT60.
Oh, what?
I think it's a DC to XT60.
Okay. All right.
That's an XT60 connector.
All right. And then we got the holder.
And the spongy thingy.
The spongy thing. Okay.
Your screws to go in there.
Gotcha. Extra screws. All right. That's pretty neat.
You gotta plug it in.
All right.
Gotta plug it in, back it in.
We got about 4 minutes.
Got about 4 minutes. It's not gonna take me 4 minutes.
All right. All right.
See what we got. Contact.
All right. So. Let's see. Okay. Celsius. That's on Celsius. That's all right. We'll change it later. Okay.
What's Celsius?
Celsius is on a different what's called. We're on Fahrenheit. That's all right. For this, don't worry about it. All right. Okay.
210.
All right. All right. Now what we're gonna do? We'll bring it over here. You got your soldering thing there.
It's heating up.
All right.
I can smell it.
All right.
323 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
See what I'm gonna do is.
All right. There you go. And that's portable. You can do this right at the field. If you got a wire go out.
I messed that one up.
That's all right. At least you're showing how you work it. All right. That's cool.
Short. There we go.
All right. And that's how it's done. So check out Sequre electronic soldering iron. And that's how you do it. This is Jackson and Mason. Jackson RC Aviation. We'll try to post a link. There you go. Talk to you soon.